Burping is almost always a sign of low acid. Food will sit inside your stomach and it will ferment, and the longer it stays in there and the slower the transit time is, the more chance you have of burping. Burping can also be caused by H. pylori, because H. pylori can produce hydrogen gas and therefore it builds up pressure, which is why I think it is the #1 cause of hernias as well. That pressure builds up, you can't release it quick enough, and the stomach forces itself up and pops open that lower esophageal sphincter, and then you get it checked and you have a hernia. So it's low acid, often caused by H. pylori. Yeast can also do it. I don't know if bile inside the stomach, even though we know that causes acid reflux, I don't think it's likely to cause burping. So your burping is 100% low acid, probably caused by H. pylori or by yeast purge. And for my clients where I've ruled those two out, I'll give them some digest purge, which contains HCl and enzymes, which should reduce that burping. Best of luck.